Welcome back. Today is the day that we are going to clean our bottom floor because Thanksgiving is coming and we need to really do like a deep cleaning. Not gonna lie, I'm going to round up a lot of my Thanksgiving stuff because right during Thanksgiving, like literally that day, that's when we decorate for Christmas. I do the tree, we get out 90% of our Christmas decorations and just start tackling that week. So I want to put away a lot of like my fall decor and just leave a few bits and bobs, but really take down most of it just because I need to get ahead of the curve. So that's what we're gonna do. A lot of it is Halloween as well. So yeah, let's get to it. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it tomorrow. So I stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sphere. Do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. No, no, you wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it tomorrow. So I stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sphere. You're falling in when you touch me. I swear you will do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Yeah, I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hit, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, there's no use in playing games. No, there's no denial in what we want.
All right, we got most of the decorations put on that table. I have to put them in bins. But for now, I'm going to deep clean these cabinets. They're actually pretty dirty. There's a lot of dust and grease on them. I don't tend to get up there. And since the kids are napping, this is the time. They actually had their Thanksgiving party today at school. So they wanted to leave early and we got home and I was like, okay, you can come, but you have to take a nap first. So this is my chance to clean. I'm listening to Brimstone, the second book of the Quicksilver series. Yeah, it's good, it's good. But anyways, let's do this. It is the next day and we were able to round up all our Halloween fall stuff on that table. And now the next thing I'm gonna do today is we're going to place them in the bins. We have 3 bins for our holiday stuff. And one of them includes our Halloween lights for outside. So I have to finish putting a lot of that away in that bin, but also I'm going to declutter a little bit. Every year I kind of declutter. If there's stuff in there that I haven't used and honestly will never use, I'm gonna take it out. So I'm gonna do a little bit of decluttering as well as putting all the stuff away. Now I will say, I added pumpkins to this year, those huge Halloween pumpkins. So I gotta figure out where to put those, because yeah, they're not gonna fit in those 3 bins. So let me show you guys. These are the 3 bins that we keep all our decorations in. And as you can see, this one is all of the Halloween lights. So I have to put away these lights as well as those in here. And then one of these is like a fall dedicated bin, and then the other one is a Halloween bin. So the task is to place some of this stuff in here, but I'm pretty sure I think this one, ooh, yeah, this one I have to go through and try to declutter what I don't need, reorganize, repack, because I want to make sure that the stuff does not break. But yeah, there's stuff in here that I know we did not use this year. So let's get to it.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. Let's see where this all might lead. Waking up to a brand new day in between your sheets. Breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street. Ooh, but then out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in ways so new. A world more exciting than mine is holding up a great...
So far, I've managed to fill all of this up with literally just Halloween stuff. I am getting rid of that. I haven't used it in like several years, and there's no point in keeping it. As well as that little pumpkin. It's not my aesthetic anymore. And all these lights I am going to place in this one. I put the kids' pumpkins that they go trick-or-treating in here, but I usually fill them with my mugs. I'm gonna have to wrap them with like these papers as well as like Halloween towels that I use, and that way they're nice protected when I do place them in the attic. But usually this is where I keep like their buckets. And to be honest, I might get rid of these. I have not used those at all in like 2 years, and I got them last year. I didn't use them last year. I didn't use them this year because they like these bigger ones. This is the ones that they used for trick-or-treating. So yeah, but so far all the Halloween stuff has managed to be in here, lights there, and now we're going to make this one my fall theme. Alright, so I think we managed to place most of the stuff in. I added the Halloween books. There's several that I just put away and bring out every year. This thing, I don't know. I might donate it. I don't know. Comes to a point where I'm like, we got too much stuff. We need to get rid of stuff. So my little get rid of pile is over here. These lights I still have to put away. I don't know where. I think I might be able to fit them in here. There's a little bit of space. But for the most part, they are ready to go. Alright, you guys, this completes this video. We are officially done with fall. The only thing I have left are these little stickers, but I'm gonna leave them for Thanksgiving. I have 2 little banners on my wall. I'm gonna leave those for Thanksgiving. And other than that, everything is packed and we are ready for Vlogmas, my friends. So I'm so excited. You guys know Christmas is my jam. I live for Christmas. I am a Christmas baby. So, you know, it's in my blood. I'm so excited. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little bit of reality, you know, cleaning and ready for the next holiday. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.